First off, I like this computer. It's very portable, I enjoy being able to draw on it, the ability to fold it in half is nice. There are some drawbacks, however. Straight out of the box after turning it on there was an occasional black band displaying across the screen. Not the worst thing ever, I can ignore it as it's not very frequent. Some of the built-in apps are very slow and are much better replaced with something else. I plan to use this Chromebook for school but since have decided not to due to how slow it is within those programs. Every now and again the pen will write in a different place than you press. I didn't expect anything amazing for the price. Often these types of products run for a lot more and I knew I was taking a little bit of a risk here. Ultimately it performs almost as well as expected. While I don't use it for college as planned, I do use it for surfing the web and chatting with friends, and I enjoy it for that. I did buy this from Best Buy as they had one in the store already, but I figured I'd leave a review to help other shoppers. Being a factory worker, I try to balance out the specs and price. You get a lot of Chromebook in this price range. The large bezel and all plastic case make it a bit more theft resistant. One thing I don't like is that my USB Type-C headphones aren't supported. One thing I do like is I can close the Chromebook and charge it using my cell phone charger. My last laptop was a Toshiba Chromebook 2. The smaller screen on this device is taking some getting used to, but larger screens would be a bit more cumbersome in tablet mode. With the touch screen, I no longer need to attach a mouse. Reading books is awesome as I can simply fold the keyboard underneath and set it on my lap. Some Android apps only work in portrait mode, but that's a developer issue, not an Acer issue. My workaround is using the website instead of the app and hitting the full screen button. There is a spot at the top of the keyboard where a 13MP camera could go, and with the amazing screen, this would be great for indoor photography and photo editing. This is also my first laptop from Acer. Way to go guys! This one is a keeper. Really pleased with this Chromebook. I was hesitant to switch from a Windows machine to a Chrome OS machine, but I've been pleasantly surprised at how quickly I've been able to adapt. The stylus works really great, and the touchscreen is a convenient way to handle Android apps that don't quite work properly, side-scrolling, with a mouse/touchpad. I thought I would be sacrificing my ability to edit videos, but was really excited when I found Power Director as an app in the Play Store. It's a good video editor for simple editing and even does quite a few advanced edits as well. Media consumption is great. Hulu, Disney, Amazon Prime all work flawlessly. Hulu app seems to take a little longer to load than the others. I don't use Netflix but I'm sure it'd be great. Can't rate this high enough. Always been a fan of Acer, and this Chromebook knocks it out of the park. I kept holding my breath after ordering because there were so few reviews. I also worried it was refurbished and I was just missing in the small print. This Chromebook is perfect. I just ordered for my 7-year-old for our new life of remote learning. We are so pleased with this brand new Chromebook that somehow survived the out-of-stock description of all the rest of the reasonably priced Chromebooks. Click link in description for details.